Dirty coils and clogged ports can reduce an air conditioner's cooling performance dramatically by blocking heat transfer and restricting airflow. Coil surfaces covered in grime act like insulation and stop refrigerant from shedding heat effectively, so the system runs longer and cycles more frequently to reach set temperatures. Evaporator coils that are dirty lower the unit's ability to absorb heat from indoor air, which raises indoor humidity and makes rooms feel less comfortable even if the thermostat indicates the correct temperature. Condenser coils that are obstructed prevent outdoor heat rejection, so the compressor works harder, uses more electricity, and can overheat sooner than expected. Clogged ports and narrowed refrigerant passages change flow characteristics and can create uneven cooling, frosting on the evaporator, or elevated head pressures. These issues shorten component life and reduce efficiency. To diagnose early, measure supply and return air temperature split and watch for a persistent lower than normal temperature differential. Monitor amperage draw at the compressor for increases and feel for restricted airflow at vents. For maintenance, turn off power, brush, or use a low-pressure rinse on coils, clear vegetation and debris from the condenser, replace or clean air filters on a regular schedule, and ensure drainage and access ports are unobstructed so condensate and air can move freely. Common mistakes include assuming surface dust is harmless, which lets coils accumulate insulating films and causes slower heat transfer. Remedy this by inspecting coils visually and cleaning biannually or more often in dusty environments. Another frequent error is delaying filter replacement, because a clogged filter reduces airflow and forces the system to run longer. Set a routine filter change interval based on occupancy and air quality, and write it on the maintenance calendar. A third problem is using high pressure or harsh chemicals that damage fins and refrigerant lines, which leads to leaks and poor performance. Use gentle coil cleaners, fin combs for straightening, and low-pressure rinses, or hire a technician for delicate work. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and our members share experiences and tips about system efficiency. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them join conversations that lead to opportunities.